Please advise. Messages transmit.
We interrupt your programming. This is a national emergency.
Please stand by. The President of the United States or his designated representative will be speaking shortly. Please stand by.
My fellow Americans, I speak to you now as a national crisis is currently unfolding among us all. Unfortunately, the event that is taking place as of now cannot be prevented, and we as a nation will make the best of this and fight till the very end, until whatever may bring us down manages to do so. Earlier, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration detected a massive black hole form abruptly in our solar system. As it inches closer to Earth and grows faster by the second, we have to accept our fate as a nation. I beg of you to gather your friends and family and spend time doing what makes you happy. Please, do not tell children what is going on. I sincerely apologize that we are not able to do anything about this. Soon, Earth will be swallowed by the black hole and end all of humanity. Again, we apologize. Thank you for being a part of the American dream, and God bless you, your families, and God bless the United States of America. Goodbye.